Hello friends, myself Maja Nikita Rajesh. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of nuclear power plant. We have to learn what is the nuclear power plant, how does it work, and what is the maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant. Now let us see what is the nuclear power plant. So ultimately in the basic of nuclear power plant, it's same as the performer or steam power plant where we use as a coal as a fuel. So in thermal power plant, we can use a coal as a fuel. Then we have to burn a coal and then heat will be generated. Then this heat will convert water into the steam. But as the coal combustion takes place, there are many disadvantages such as it pollutes atmosphere, it produces ash, it produces flue gases or toxic gases. That's why instead of generating a coal combustion, we can generate the heat by using the process nuclear energy or nuclear power plant. Now let us see what is the nuclear energy, and there are three steps to see the nuclear energy. What are they? Such we have to look. In a nuclear energy plant, heat is produced from splitting atoms, a process called nuclear fusion. There are three steps. Let us see. Nuclear reactor creates heat that is used to make steam. The steam turns a turbine connected to an electromagnet, which is called as generator. The generator produces electricity. Now let us see the definition of the common definition of nuclear energy is the energy released by a chain reaction, especially by fission or fusion. Practically speaking, nuclear energy uses fuel made from mined and processed uranium to make steam and generate electricity. Now let us see how does a nuclear power plant works. Nuclear power plant use heat produced during nuclear fusion to heat water. The heat produced during nuclear fusion in the reactor core is used to boil water into steam, which turns the blades of a steam turbine. As the turbine blades turn, they drive generator that makes electricity. Now let us see the components of nuclear power plant. What are the components of nuclear power plant? There are six components. Let us see. Nuclear reactor, heat exchanger, steam turbine, condenser, electric generator, cooling tower, etc. Now let us see one by one. Then first is nuclear reactor. Then nuclear reactor is the heart of the nuclear plant. In nuclear reactor, nuclear fusion of radioactive material takes place. This liberates large amount of heat energy. This heat is taken up by the coolant circulating through the reactor core. After absorbing the heat, the coolant becomes hot. Next component is the heat exchanger. What is the function of heat exchanger? Let us see. The hot coolant coming from the nuclear reactor flows through the tubes of heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is also called as steam generator. In the heat exchanger, hot coolant gives up the heat to feed water so that it can be converted into steam. After giving up heat, the coolant is again pumped back to nuclear reactor. Now let us see the turbine. What is this steam turbine? The steam produced in the heat exchanger is sent to steam turbine. The steam undergoes expansion in steam turbine and produces useful work in the steam turbine. This mechanical energy is now available at the output shaft of steam turbine, which is coupled to generator. Next is a condenser. Condenser is also called as a steam condenser. Then let us see what is the function of steam condenser. After producing useful work or mechanical energy in steam turbine, the steam is exhausted to cooling water, which coming from cooling tower. After cooling and condensation, exhausted steam is converted to water, which can be used as a feed water for recirculation. This feed water is pumped back to heat exchanger or steam generator with the help of feed water pump. Now, what is the function of cooling tower? After observing the heat from exhaust steam, temperature of cooling water increases, making it warm or hot water. This hot water is sent to cooling tower where it is be cooled. The cooling water so formed is again sent back to condenser with the help of circulating water pump. Next function is a generator, which is also called as a alternator. In this alternator, output shaft of steam turbine is coupled to generator. Therefore, mechanical energy available at the output shaft of steam turbine drives the generator, which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now let us see what is the working of. Now in this we heard the nuclear fusion. Then what is the nuclear fusion? Let us see. Fusion is the process of splitting a nucleus in two parts. Inside each uranium fuel pellet, there are millions of uranium nuclei. When these nuclei are split, a huge amount of energy is released. Some of this energy is from radiation, but the biggest source is kinetic energy. This is the energy that produces heat inside a reactor, which is turned in used to generate steam and ultimately creates electricity. So it is the function of nuclear fusion. Now let us see what is the working of nuclear power plant. The working of nuclear power plant is exactly similar to that steam power plant, except that the steam is generated in nuclear reactor instead of boilers. The produced heat is convert the water into the steam, and the rate of heat release in nuclear reactor is extremely large as compared to combustion chamber of steam power plant. The heat energy is produced by nuclear fusion. By bombarding of the material such as uranium with neutron starts the process of fusion. It gives out large amount of heat energy. In a nuclear reactor, fusion of atom takes place. This fusion process liberates large amount of heat. This heat is taken up by the coolant circulating through the reactor core. After that, hot coolant lives at the top and then flows through the tubes of steam generator and passes heat to the feed water. Then the steam produced is expanded and is used to drive turbine, which is coupled to an electric generator or alternator as in the conventional power plant to produce electricity. The exhaust steam is then condensed using condenser and gets converted. In order to maintain the flow of coolant, condensate and feed water, various pumps are employed in this system. By this procedure, the electricity will be generated. Now let us see what are the maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant. First is effective maintenance is essential for the safe operation of nuclear power plant. Second, the range of maintenance activities includes monitoring, surveillance, inspection, testing, assessment, calibration, service, overhaul, repair and replacement of parts. Third, facilities, equipment and tools are provided and maintained to effectively support training activities. Fourth, for tasks with high risk, additional training is identified and implemented effectively prior to execution of the job. Then last, environmental awareness should be included in the facility specific training. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video and bell icon. Thanks.